Have you ever needed to send your handwritten notes, homework, or meeting summaries as a PDF, but didn't know how? Well, here's the good news. You can turn any note into a professional-looking PDF in just a few seconds using your phone or laptop. Let's break it down step by step. First, if you're using a phone, your camera is your best tool. Apps like Microsoft Lens, CamScanner, or Adobe Scan can turn your paper notes into a clear, well-formatted PDF. Just open the app, take a photo of your notes, and let the AI automatically crop, straighten, and enhance it for you. In seconds, your handwritten page looks like it was scanned with a real scanner. If you're on iPhone, it's even easier. Just open the Notes app, tap the camera icon, and select Scan Documents. After taking the photo, your iPhone automatically detects the edges and converts it into a PDF instantly. You can even sign or annotate it before sharing. Now, for those who prefer typing notes, there's a simple trick. If you use Google Docs, Notion, or even a plain text file, you can export them as PDFs directly. In Google Docs, go to File, Download, PDF Document. Done, your notes are now a polished, shareable file. But here's where it gets even smarter: AI note converters. Websites like Nada.ai, ScribeNote, or TLDV.io can transcribe and format your meeting notes, class lectures, or voice memos into clean text documents, and then export them as PDFs automatically. So even if you don't write or type your notes, AI can still do the heavy lifting for you. Need to combine multiple notes into one file? Use iLovePDF or SmallPDF, both are free, and let you merge or compress PDFs right from your browser. It's perfect for submitting assignments, organizing class notes, or sharing business reports. And the best part? You don't need a computer or any fancy software. Everything can be done right from your smartphone, within minutes. So next time you take notes, whether handwritten, typed, or recorded, remember this simple trick. Scan, enhance, and export. Boom, instant PDF, ready to share, print, or send anywhere. AI and simple apps have made document creation faster than ever, and now, you'll never lose your notes again. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.